Today we will talk about writing linear equations given 2 points on the line. To write an equation in slope-intercept form given 2 points on the line, the first thing we will do is find the slope of the line using the slope-intercept formula. This formula is m, which stands for slope, equal y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Then we will plug the slope and one of the ordered pairs into the point slope form. This form is y minus y1 equal m times x minus x1. We will then solve the equation for y to get the slope-intercept form. Let's try an example. In this example, we are to write the equation of a line that passes through the point -3, 1, as well as the point 5, -7. In order to write the equation of this line, we have to find the slope of the line. So again, we will use the slope formula, m equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. The y1 and the x1 are the x and y coordinates of the first point. So we have x1, y1, x2, y2 are the coordinates of the second point, x2, y2. So we have slope is equal to y1 minus y2 divided by x1 minus x2. When we simplify, in our numerator we have 8, denominator we have -8. Simplifying more, our slope is -1. Now we will use the point slope formula. Y minus y1 equal m times x minus x1. Again, when we use the point slope formula, we use the slope that we found and either one of the points that we were given. This time, I'm going to use the point -3, -1. So I will have y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. The first thing I will do is simplify the parentheses where it says x minus -3. So I have y minus 1 equal -1 times x. A negative times a negative is a positive 3. We'll use distributive property. We have y minus 1 equals -1 times x is -x. -1 times the positive 3 is a -3. Then to solve for y, we'll add 1 to both sides. -1 plus 1 is 0. So I have y on the left. On the right I have -x, and -3 plus 1 is a -2. This is the slope-intercept form. If I needed to write this equation in standard form, I would have to add x to both sides of the equation. Standard form means that both the x and the y variables are on the same side of your equation. This is standard form.